Adding contacts on a consumer cellular flip phone is simple and doesn't require internet access. Start by turning on your phone and opening the main menu. Use the arrow or directional keys to find contacts, phone book, or address book, then select Add Contact or New Entry. Use the keypad to enter the person's name and phone number, then press Save or OK to store it. To make typing faster, you can turn on T9 predictive text in the phone's settings, which reduces the number of key presses needed. Contacts are saved to the phone's internal memory, or the SIM card. For quicker calling, you can assign speed dial numbers by holding down a number key. If you're moving from another phone, contacts can be transferred using Bluetooth as vCard files, or you can add them manually. Most consumer cellular flip phones store between 500 and 1,000 contacts. If you run into issues, check that the SIM card is inserted correctly and that the contact list isn't full. Since flip phones don't support cloud backups, it's smart to back up contacts to the SIM card regularly.